What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you 5 things that you should do every time that you're about to shave in order to get a closer shave. So you can take something that looks like this and turn it into this. The first thing that you're going to want to do in order to get a closer shave is to get you some type of face wash cleaner. It can be any type of face wash cleaner that you personally like. The 2 that I currently use are the Bevel brand and then also Clinique for Men. So this is what the Clinique for Men kind of looks like here. The one that I use, and then the other one that I use is the Bevel brand. I'm a big firm believer in Bevel just because it is for men of color. But the thing that I like about these is it doesn't take a lot to there's not a lot that you need in order to wash your face, but this is good because it allows you to get a thorough cleanse, and both of these say that it preps skin for a comfortable shave, and that's what we want. It's a comfortable shave, something that's close. So what you want to do is just use a dime size amount on some wet skin and go ahead and clean your face. And what this is going to do is to get all of that dirt that's causing your hair to kind of lay down and not stand up in order to get that razor to get a close shave. So that's the first step that we're going to take, is get a face wash cleaner. The thing that we're going to do is to use some type of priming oil. So the priming oil is geared to hydrating your skin and also preparing the hair for to be cut. And that allows the hair and the skin to be hydrated, to be able to be ready for what we're about to put it through in the shave. And this is what I use, another Bevel product, but it's the Bevel priming oil. Hopefully you can see that there. But that's what I use, and it's just a little amount in order to hydrate the skin and get it. Alright, so step 3 of this process of getting a closer shave, and the things to do before you shave in order to accomplish that, is to use a brush to brush the hair in the direction of the grain. Now I did a video previously on grain mapping. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and click on the button above in order to see that video. But what this allows you to do is to make sure you don't have any hairs going in different directions that could mess up getting that clean shave. So I brush everything in the direction of the grain in order to get everything facing the same direction, and this really helps me in getting a closer shave, especially when I'm shaving per my grain map. So like I said, I did another video on how to grain map your face and how that's important in shaving, so go ahead and check that out. But this is the 3rd step, is to brush the hairs into the direction in which you're going to be shaving. This may be the most important step in order to get a close shave, and I encourage you to do this pretty much every time if you're able to when you're going to shave. I don't know how often you shave, but for me, I shave every couple days. This one I've let it grow out for this video purposes, but this step is to change out your razor. Never shave with a dull razor because you're going to have some catching, and you want it to be able to cut right through the hair down to as close to the skin as possible. So whether you're using a multi-blade razor such as Harry's or Gillette, or you're using a straight razor with a single blade, make sure that you're always switching out the blade or the cartridge in the case of multi-blade razors in order to get the closest shave. You want something that's sharp, not dull, not rusted, something that's going to really cut through with ease the hair so that you can get a close shave. I can't emphasize it enough. never, never, never use old blades if you want to get a close shave. Alright, so we've come to the last step of the 5 steps that you should do before you shave in order to get a closer shave. And this step is right before you're about to shave, and this is to get a good lather and coverage over the areas that you're going to shave with your shave gel or your shave cream that you're using. Any shave cream or gel that you use is totally a personal preference, but make sure that you get a good lather. That good lather allows that blade to pass over the skin and through the hairs so that there's no friction, there's no pulling, so that it's a comfortable shave and also a close shave. So that's the last step of these 5 steps of how to get a closer shave. And I'm gonna go shave now and show you the results of using these 5 steps. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also give it a thumbs up and share it with anybody who you think may enjoy the video. We'll be posting more videos like this in the very near future, so go ahead and keep an eye out and hit that notification bell to be notified when we do post a new video. Until next time, peace YouTube.